the first question for today's session is from the topic of blood relations. What is given here? Z is the brother of X. X is married to V. V is the mother of U. Q is the daughter of T. X is the father-in-law of T. R is married to Z. P is the son of R, and V has only one daughter. So how do you solve this question? See, first you have to draw the blood relations diagram. Okay, draw the blood relations diagram and then start solving the question. Okay, now as I always say, the notations that you use for blood relation, you are free to follow your notation. If you see your video lessons, we have used +4 male and -4 female. You can use M4 male, F4 female, right? B4 male, G4 female. I leave it to you what notation you are using, but please use the standard notation throughout the problem. Z is the brother of X. So Z and X, they are siblings. Z is the brother of X. So Z is definitely a male. To solve this question, I am going to use B for male and G for female, right? B for boy, G for girl. So B and G. You can use plus or minus. As I said, it is up to you to decide what to do. Now, Z is the brother of X. X is married to V. So married means double dash, right? X is married to V. V is the mother of U. So V has a child U, and V is the mother of U means that V is a female. So X has to be the husband and V has to be the wife. Then V is the mother of U. Q is the daughter of T. Let's wait to use that statement. Then what is given? X is the father-in-law of T, and it is also given that V has only one daughter. So here it is given that X is the father-in-law of T and V has only one daughter. So who has to be T? See, T has to be the husband of U. So this has to be the girl and this has to be the boy, right? See, it is given T, X is the father-in-law of T, and it is also given that V has only one daughter and V is the mother of U. So this has to be the relation. Then it is given that Q is the daughter of T. So Q is the daughter of T means Q is here. Q is the daughter of T. Then what is given? R is married to Z. So R is married to Z. So R has to be a female because we already know that Z is a male. Then it is given P is the son of R. So P is the son of R means they have a child who is P, and he is a son means he is a boy. So this is your blood relations diagram that you get, right? R is married to Z. They have a son P. These two are siblings. X and V are married. They have a daughter U who is married to T, and they have a child Q who is a girl. Now, first question. How is X related to P? How is X related to P? See, P's father's brother is X, or I can say X is P's uncle. So the correct answer for the first question is option A. How is Q related to V? How is Q related to V? Q is, see, Q's mother's mother, correct? Or I can say that Q is V's grandchild, correct? Granddaughter here, because it's a female. Q is a female. So I can see that Q is V's granddaughter. So for the second question, the correct answer is option C, granddaughter. Next one. How is Z related to V? Again, see, Z and X are brothers. So V, who is V? V is Z's brother's wife. So how is Z related to V? So Z has to be V's brother-in-law, because Z is a male, right? And V's husband's brother means brother-in-law. So the correct answer for this question is option B, brother-in-law. So these are the answers for this blood relation question. As I always say, always stick to one method, whatever method you are following to represent the diagram, right? Whatever notation you are using, please use the same notation throughout. Just because I am using GB, don't use GB. If you are comfortable with plus minus like how we do it in our videos, do it that way. I mean, stick to whatever you are using. That's very important. Okay.